Hi and welcome everyone in this information Zoom meeting about a division in Derme company, Platinum Equipment. So Platinum Equipment is an exclusive supplier of specialized equipment for medical aesthetics, not only for medical aesthetics, but for all spa salons and the clinical aesthetic clinical worldwide. So we provide effective and innovative service solutions for all the spas and the clinical and with our painless free effect with our equipment. So we are all safe and certified by the high standards worldwide as per Canada, America, and the United States and European standards. So we're gonna start with our premium equipment, the Cheerwave IPL technology, the 360. So IPL is an equipment that's certified by FDA, Health Canada, ISO, and the CE. So it's one of the fastest, safest, and painless technology worldwide that you're gonna find, and it's one of the innovative devices with remarkable performance after only the first treatments. It's the latest and the safest technology in the market right now, and even for the technician or even for the clients. It's an easy way to use, and there's no maintenance with this equipment. Everything is already pre-programmed inside of the system, so you don't have to do anything in extra. It's combined by two handpieces, two ergonomic light handpieces, and the first one gonna be for the photo epilation. It gonna have 2005, 2050,000, no, 250,000 pulses, and the second one gonna have 200,000 pulses for the photo rejuvenations. We have a double cooling system, a dual cooling system in the machines. We have the sapphires, we have the air that's coming from the handpiece, and we also that's done by the cooling system, the green cooling liquid bottle in the machines in the systems. Don't Also, we're gonna add to the cooling system for the equipment. We're gonna add in superficial. We have the gel, the regular gel that we're gonna apply on the skin just to prevent all feeling, not all feelings, but all bad sensations. All That's how we're gonna have the painless free actually. It's the fastest execution at 0.5 seconds, and with the diameters of the handpiece, we are able to work in the largest area with to provide really maximizing all the treatment and results to the clients. So with the offer treatment with the IPL 360, gonna be for the permanent hair removal. We are able to work with a different skin type and different type of hair colors. We have a specialized technique when we're gonna work on the light, thin, or blonde hair. So we're gonna be seeing them in a few weeks with the news capsules that are gonna be posting online. With the photo rejuvenation option, we have the acne treatment that's available for 3 different acne phases. We have the vascularization that's gonna be working for redness, telangiectasia, erythrosis, cuprosis, erythema, so really all kind of redness on the skin. We have pigmentation also, if it's on the area or if it's only some spots. It can be determined also. We will be able to work on different kind of pigmentation, sun exposed sunspot, age spot, hormonal spots. So we are able to work with different kinds of pigmented spots. With the skin rejuvenation option, we are able to work in deeply inside of the layers, the dermis. So deeply in the dermis, so we are able to work and to regenerate again all the collagen, elastin, fibroblast that stopped working with time and with age. So we're gonna regenerate them with the light of the IPL and the wavelength that will be adapted to the different cells in the skin. For the permanent hair removal, as I explained it a little bit before, so it's an effective and painless results even for this more sensitive area as the bikini and other section in the body. So it's gonna give you a really good results, sorry, even after the first treatment. So we will be able to work in different types and hair, different types of hair and types of skin, and we will see. I will be posting, as I already said, some capsules about all this more specific information regarding the thin, blonde, and white hair, the smooth techniques, the tips and tricks that we're giving for the light hair treatments. So here an example of a man who had 7 treatments for his back. He may need more treatments, but only after 7 treatments he really see a good reductions of hair on this area. We have also the chin of this person. It was for 9 treatments that this person had, and because it's a normal space area, it's a normal area for this person, even for the woman's. So she may need maybe more treatment just to prevent and to maintain this result for long term. We have also the upper lips that the client had 9 treatments and got this really good result. With times, maybe she will need to have some maintenance just to prevent and to keep the results more longer and that we can. We have also this section of the face. The client had only 9 treatments, not only, but she had 9 treatments on this seance and on these treatments. So because it's a normal place also for a woman, donc she may need more, not more result, but more treatment just to prevent and to maintain the result as long as we can. We also have this section, the next section for the men. So it's also a section this person would like to define the neck area, the beard area, sorry. So they had only 2 months. That means maybe it can be around 2 to 3 treatments for this person. He may need more treatment just to keep the results as long as we can, and just to get off or the extra hair that's on the neck. The acne is it's another innovative approach that's gonna kill the bacteria of acne associated with the acne on the face. So we will be working simultaneously with the redness and the scars on the skin. That's an example of person who had 9 treatments for the acne 2 times a week and got these beautiful results. That's someone also who had acne rosacea and for 8 treatments and got this result. He may need maybe extra treatment for redness, vascularization that who gonna complete or who gonna like be a support just to take off or to help to take off all the redness on the skin. Pigmentation, how we're gonna be able to reduce all kinds of pigmentation, even the H1, the H spot, the sunspot, the hormonal spot, the ethnicity spot, the origin spot. So we'll be able to work on all different kind of spot on the skin. That's an example of someone's that the things with the spot that we're gonna be trying just to make them lighter, and with the combination of actually with the skincares and the sub product that the client gonna use at home, it's gonna maximize the result and keep them longer. And also don't forget the sunscreen. That's gonna be really the first product that the client has to use to prevent all pigmentation that's gonna appear with time on the skin. That's an example of someone who has 6 treatments for hyperpigmentation. She got this product. So how we can see on this picture, it's the spots are lighter than the one that was in the before. That's in the before pictures, and the client may need more treatment just to make them lighter. Also, here we have some H spot in the cheek area. And so the client has 6 treatment, and maybe she may need more to make them lighter and depigmented. Vascular, it's an effective and lasting treatment who gonna work on blood coagulation, that's gonna stop the coagulation in the capillaries with all the kind of redness that we can have, like rosacea, cuprosis, telangiectasia, and many others imperfection for the redness vascularizations. So here we have someone who suffers from rosacea. She actually had 3 treatments only, and she may need more treatment just to prevent and to maintain and to keep the results more long. Here we have someone who had 6 treatments for a telangiectasia on the nose. It's someone also who may need more results just to keep them maintained. We have another person who suffers from rosacea also. She had 6 treatments and she already had a really good results. Maybe she may need something else, not something else, but many other treatments just to help preventing and maintaining the result more longer. Photo rejuvenation option is the rejuvenation photofacials, is the one who gonna really treat all the wrinkles on the skin, gonna treat the skin texture, gonna work on the elasticity of the skin, the lifting of the skin. It's gonna also be combined by all the 3 other options that we saw: the acne, the pigmentation, and the vascularization. And we're gonna be working on, especially with this option in the equipment, we're going to be working for the regenerating of the collagen, elastin, and fibroblast to make them work again and be more stronger than what it was in the beginning. So that's an example of person of before and after. So after only 1 treatment, the result is really impressive. After 6 months, the result is maintained, but the client may need some maintenance just to keep the result more longer that we would like. That's an example of someone who works on the texture and the pores of the skin. So after only 2 treatments, and she's gonna see more, she is seeing like really good results on this one, and maybe she may need more treatment just to get the effect that she's looking for. That's another person who had 6 treatments for photo rejuvenation. So we can see the wrinkles and around the eyes in this mouth section, the sillon nasogenial. So we can see really all the less pronounced wrinkles. The second equipment that we're gonna see together is gonna be the Vizia. So the Vizia is the complexion skin analysis, the most complete skin evaluation that you're gonna find in the market. So Derme company are the official distributor or the only distributor of this equipment in Canada. So it's an equipment that's gonna show you what's on the skin and what's in the skin, just to make you realize what can happen few years if there's no product that are used or there's no treatment that are done. We can see also a display results and image, so you can see before and afters. You can have a report that you can send by email to the client. You have a section when you can write like some notes. You also can add to the software of the Vizia, you can add your own skincare product if it's not Nelly DeVust and Physiodermie, and you can also add your own kind of treatment that you offers in the spa. With the Vizia, you are able to analyze all the skin aspect. That means you have 3 different options for the spots, the UV spots, only the superficial spots. You can have also the age spots, so you can different categories of spots that you can really analyze with this equipment. You can also check the pore frames. You can also take the skin texture, the redness, the vascularization. You can also get a look on the wrinkles. You can get a look on the hydration of the skin. So you have many options that you can check and see with this. Really, this equipment is gonna be like that's the marketing tools that where you'll be able to sell your cures, sorry, and one you will be able to sell all the product that you have. Also, with the newest software of the Vizia, you are able to have like a section with simulation. This simulation section, first of it, it's gonna show you the different state of the face. That means if the client, you can show the client if she don't want to buy the product, or she don't want to go with the cure, or she don't want to go with what you discussed in the consultation, you can show her this section and she can see the evolution of her skin to see with time, few years later, how the skin gonna look like. Also, the second option that you have in this section is the comblement. So the comblement is an option that for all the clinical or the spa dermatologists that are offering like Botox and injections. With the injection, so you are able to on the face, so you can able just to locate it. You can only just locate it some section on the face and just to see with a curse to see if you did the injection, how the skin gonna looks like, and if you are not doing the injection, how the skin is actually looking. So you can see the before and the after of the injection also. With the Vizia, you can create really personalized like reports for facial treatment, as I said, for all the kind of treatment that you're offering to the spa. So it's an amazing equipment to have on your spa. It's gonna be your support for all the sales that you're gonna make, for all the cures that you're gonna propose, and even on the consultation. That's an example. So it's taking in three different ways. So you have the right, the middle, and the left, and the flash that's coming from the analysis, it's like a camera flash. It's not something that's not safe for the skin. That's an example. So we have the brown spot, we have the UV spots that's analyzed in different colors just to make you like see the difference between each one of them. You have also the porphyrins, you have the redness that you can see, the different redness on the skin, even the telangiectasia, sorry, that are showing on the face of the clients. You also have the spots, the textures of the skin. You can see the thin lines and the wrinkles that the client has. You can see the different pores. That's only specialized for all the person that have dilated spot or the person who suffers from acne. So they can see this difference. The reveal is going to be the third equipment that we're going to see. The reveal is smaller than the Vizia. It's a portable device and it's more for all budgets than the Vizia. So it's a revolutionary solution also to professional skin consultation. They can be used by anyone, even for all the person who travels. You can move with this equipment with all easily. But it's only an equipment that's gonna analyze two aspects. It's gonna analyze only vascular imperfection and gonna analyze melanin imperfection. So those are the only analyses that the reveal gonna do. It's really different than the Vizia, who is more complete for all superficial and internal imperfection on the skin. But this one gonna only be reserved for the melanin and the vascularization imperfections. Other things in platinum equipment, so we have everything for you if you want to be equipped to start your new business. So we have everything, not only equipment or machines. We also have electrolysis, we also microdermabrasion with corandones and with like diamond head. We also have structural modeling systems. We have other equipment as beds, service tables, step tools, magnifying, towel heater, wax heater. So we actually have everything that you will need to start your business. So we are here to support you, to help you, and to make you equipped for every steps or everything that you would like to do. Here we have an example of platinum spa equipment. That's one of our beds. It's an electric bed who has 4 motors, comes with white, gray, black, and has a hand remote, sorry. The second one is the Platinum Spa Bed 360. It comes also as an electric bed. It has 4 motors, and it comes in the same several colors as the white, gray, and black. And also it came with the hand remote, but the difference between this one and the one previously is that this one gonna turn around 360 degrees. So it's more accessible for all the clinical, the doctors, for the physicians, sorry, for all the estheticians. So it's more accessible. You can turn the bed as you like easily when you're working with the clients. The last one gonna be the Spa Bed 360, not the 360, but gonna be the Spa Bed with pedals. So it's an electric 4 motors bed. Also, it comes in 3 different colors: the white, the gray, the black. But the difference between this one, it has 2 different remote. We have one with the hand remote, and the second one gonna be the foot remote, who has pre-programmed systems. So you can program all the position that you would like to have for the head, the incline, the footrest, the backrest. So you can pre-program all the position that you would like to have, and only push on one button of the foot remote, and you're gonna have directly the position needed. So you don't have to use any hand remote while doing this. So it's more accessible and easier for all the physicians, that's dermatologists also, that are doing injection and are using gloves. So this one gonna be the bed for an accessible and easier way to work. That's gonna be the end of our little information session about the Platinum Equipment Division. So please do not forget to follow us on all social media. We are on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. So you're gonna have all our newest product or our newest information, promotion. So you're gonna have everything on our social media. Also, just be ready and stay tuned for all the other capsules that gonna be coming for the Platinum Equipment. And I will be sharing with you really a lot of new things, and with all the equipment's products. So thank you so much to be there for this Zoom meeting information, and hope to talk to all of you soon, or to be here to answer all your questions.